I just want to share a few things with you about boat launch etiquette. First of all, do your practice some other place, not opening day at the launch. When you get to the parking lot, just stop, find a spot to park, take your time, get the cover off, get the plug in, get the back straps off, get all your stuff in the boat. Take your time. Don't be in line to launch your boat if you're not completely ready for your turn. That's a big one. Check and double check everything. When you put your plug in, make sure that you screw it in real tight, because otherwise they can fall out. So, a few of the things, clue your buddies in on how to help, but even if they're helping, make sure you, as the captain, you check everything yourself, because I assumed my buddy was going to do something one time and they didn't. That's how you get in trouble. The captain always double checks everything. And I also have a message for you experienced anglers. I mean, you can put a boat in and out in less than 5 minutes. You know what you're doing, you're ready, your skills are polished. You're going to get to the launch at some point, you're going to see someone who's new and they're going to frustrate you. And you're going to become upset and angry because you want to be fishing. And we're all keyed up because we want to go fishing. Please just show a little patience. And if you can help educate that new person who may not know all the ins and outs of proper boat landing etiquette, it might go a lot smoother for everyone. If you start yelling and tempers are flaring, nobody is able to receive any information at all. Say, hey, I'm not sure if you're new or not, but just so that the proper etiquette here is this or is that. Or drive away once your boat's on the trailer to a parking spot before you finish getting your boat ready to go home. Lots of little tips that we can share, but we can share them with a friendly, courteous attitude, which the people will more likely to receive the information. If you start swearing at them right away, they're not going to receive the information. A little fight will break out. It'll be ugly. The kids will cry. No one will have fun. It's going to be a bad experience. So us experienced anglers kind of have a responsibility to, just kind of help this for everybody, because we know the right way to do it. So just educate others. Be a little bit more patient with women. A lot of women are getting boats for the first time. And if you see a woman pull up in a boat landing, don't make any assumptions. Do you know how many times I pull up in a boat landing and the guys standing around there, all very, very nice, ask me if I need help? I've said, well, thank you, no, but I can get it, but thanks for offering. So don't make assumptions that they don't know or they do know. Keep an open mind, be helpful, be courteous, and above all, have a great, safe opener.